So everyone, as we already have discussed in previous lessons, that how can we develop a proper attitude towards failures and setbacks, which are important and necessary for our growth. Now you may share, could you develop your qualities and abilities without failures and mistakes? Why and why not? Rahul, you may share.
Okay. Thank you for giving me this chance. According to me, it is not possible to develop ourselves without any mistake, because mistakes are the part of our life. Whenever we do any work, so mistakes are the initial things which comes in our path, and whenever we overcome our mistakes, so we
Grow.
yes,
We grow.
we grow and go to nearby to our success. And we learn always from our mistakes. It is the part of nature, so that's why doing mistakes is the part of our life.
Good job.
And
Please clap for him, everybody. Wonderful. Okay, next, let's listen to him. Could you please share?
I do see it with my partner, and I would like to share my story over this. So the question is that how I feel that. So if I talk about myself, then I can say the mistakes are the vital part of the life, because by that we learn. And if I talk about myself, I learned many of things that, and it was the time of 2018. There I faced an interview, but there I did mistakes. Thereafter, I got another chance, but I learned that what to not do and what to do. So it is all about that we learn from our mistake. We have to make it opportunities, that we have to make our setbacks as an opportunity. Thank you.
Good job. Great. Let's listen to him.
As per me, we cannot develop a proper attitude and experience if without doing mistakes. If we do mistakes, then we will know that how we can do in a proper way. So, by this.
Well done. So everybody, I have created an obstacle course for all of you, which we are going to face. Would you like to play this activity?
Yes.
That's great. So let me share how are we going to play it, right?
Yes.
And for this activity, you are going to be blindfolded. And in first go, you need to cross the obstacles by your own. You're not going to take any help from anybody, right? And the second time, your classmates will give you instructions to face those obstacles, right? And to cross the obstacle. Are you all ready and excited, people?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay.
So everybody, this is your obstacle course, right? Which you need to pass and cross. So we are going to try with one person. Let's take trial from Shubham first. So Shubham, what you need to do, you will start from this chair and you need to go on that chair.
Okay.
Right? Are you able to see that chair?
Yes.
You need to
Right one.
You need to be clear, right?
Okay.
That observe the things, how can you go easily? And please use your arms while going, right?
Okay.
Because you need to help yourself, nobody will going to help you. Okay? So please blindfolded it. So Shubham, now you can start.
I have to.
And I will help you not to get hit, right? Okay. And use your arms. Yes, that's great. Good job. Wow, Shubham, you are doing well.
Obstacles are always there.
Take care of yourself. Oh, you cannot change the obstacles. Yes, you are doing good. This is your end point, Shubham. This is your end point. Now you can sit down. Please have a seat. Good job. Please clap for him, everybody. So Ritesh, this time you are going to instruct him, right?
Okay.
You will ask him to stand up, to take care of the things. You need to give clear instructions, so
Okay.
he can be safe from these obstacles, right?
Right.
You may start.
Okay, please Shivam, stand up. Okay, go left. Okay, then go forward and use your hand to observe the object. Yes, please go little bit right, then go forward.
Right or left?
Little bit right. Go forward. Then stop. Go a little bit left. Some more. Go left. More left. Then go forward. Stop. Stop. Go to your right. Little bit more. Little bit more. Okay. Then go forward. Okay. Stop.
Turn.
Then turn.
Where? This side or that side?
Any side you can turn. Just
You can share angle.
Same angle.
okay. 360 degree.
From here?
Yes. Please. Yes. Just turn. Turn 90 degree. Just there. Then sit.
Good job. Please clap for him, everybody. Amazing, Ritesh. You have given clear instructions. So you have saved your partner to be hit from the obstacles. And thanks to you as well, you have shown active listening while following the path. Good job. Now we need another volunteer for the same game. So who would like to come?
I'll like.
Okay, please come. And Rahul, you can come and you can give instructions. So Rahul, now you can start giving instructions to him.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. Stand up.
Come.
Now come forward. Little bit. Now come left. 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 More left. More. Now go forward. Forward. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now come right side. Stop. Come right side. Right. Wait. Now come left. Now go forward. Keep going. Keep going. Now go stop. Go right. Right. More right. Now stop. Go forward. Stop. Now come left. Left. More.
You can say go
More. Now go straight. Stop.
Say go under the.
Go straight. Stop. Turn right little 10 degree. Okay, stop. Now now in your left, right there is a chair. Right. Yeah. You have to sit. Yes. Sit.
Now you may ask him to open his eyes.
Open your eyes.
Please clap for him, everybody. Are you able to see your obstacles? So I hope everyone you enjoyed the activity.
Yes.
Okay, and I have seen your enthusiasm that how excited you were, right?
Yes.
Okay, good job everybody. And it was really amazing that you have faced the obstacles, you have faced the challenges, and you just got to your place. Now it's time to have the reflection of the activity, right?
Okay.
So can you please read first question which is written on the board?
How did you feel when you were trying to find your way through the obstacle course by yourself during your first try?
So how was that when you were doing it your own only? Shubham, please share.
So, when I was all alone, I faced that very challenging because I was unable to see and I was just tickling here and there So I faced lot of challenges were also there, at at the last I achieved my acme.
You achieved that. That's
Yes.
great. Now let's move. So everybody, now please open your notebooks and you are going to write individual reflection of today's activity about confidence which you have learned by this, right? Okay.